Today, I would like to talk about the new $900 billion COVID stimulus package, the new tax law that we've been waiting for, and signed into effect December 26th of 2021. The main topics of the stimulus package that I'm going to discuss will be the IRS $600 stimulus payments, the Small Business Administration's second round PPP payroll protection forgivable loan, and federal enhanced unemployment benefits. Everyone is supposed to receive a $600 stimulus payment, including dependents under age 17, and if your income is below the phase-outs. The payment amount is based on your 2019 income. Phase-outs start if your income, adjusted gross income, is over $75,000 if filing single, $150,000 married filing joint, or $112,500 head of household, and you are not a dependent. If your income falls below the phase-out amounts, you will get the non-taxable $600 stimulus payment. Phase-out is $5 for every $100 over the phase-out amount. This stimulus payment is considered an advance on your 2020 tax filing as a credit. If the $600 does not land in your bank account and you have not received a check in the mail, go to irs.gov, Get My Payment, for information on the status of both the first and second stimulus payments. If you do not receive this payment or the last payment and you were entitled to them, your income was below the phase-out amounts, you will get a credit on your 2020 tax return. Now, there is a second round of PPP money. Fantastic. The SBA PPP Payroll Protection Forgivable Loan is a 1% loan that may be 100% forgiven. The legislation eliminated the requirement to pay back the EIDL grant with this loan, and we are able to deduct the expenses paid by the PPP loan for federal purposes. To qualify for the second PP loan, you must be able to show you have a 25% decline in revenue in 2020 quarterly gross receipts versus the 2019 quarter. Similar to the first PPP loan, it is based on 2.5 months of payroll that was paid in 2020 or in 2019. This PPP forgivable loan is available to self-employed individuals who do not have any employees. The amount is based on the 2019 Schedule C with 2.5 months of net income, and the self-employed individual is considered to be one employee. There will be a one-page streamlined forgiveness application for loans under $150,000. It is not the automatic forgiveness that we were looking for. The business has to legitimately qualify for the 100% forgiveness. The streamlined requirements will be the borrower must say how many employees they retained as a result of the PPP loan. The borrower must estimate the amount spent on wages. And the SBA has 24 days from the date of enactment of the bill to provide this form. As with the first round of PPP money, the loan is forgiven by paying 60% of the loan in payroll or to yourself if you are self-employed, and the other 40% other expenses, utilities, phone, rent, mortgage, interest, within the first 24 weeks once the loan is funded. The bill has expanded other expenses for essential supplies, accounting fees, software, and cloud computer expenses. All have been added to the other expense category. The bill will allow expenses paid with the forgiveness PPP debt to be deductible for federal purposes. and the forgiven debt is not taxable. This tax-exempt income is wonderful, and also available, or the same, similar for partnerships and S corporations. California, however, has not conformed to this, so we will most likely not be allowed to write off these expenses paid by the PPP loan on the state return. Federal enhanced unemployment benefits will be $300 a week from January 1st to March 14th, 2021. $100 per week for workers who have both wages and self-employment income. Federal enhanced unemployment benefits means an addition to the state benefits of maximum $450 per week. Some additional items of the bill are charitable contributions for non-itemizers, $600 for married filing joint, and $300 for all others for 2020 and 2021. For the Earned Income Credit, the bill allows taxpayers to use 2019 income on their 2020 return to calculate the credit. Meals will be 100% deductible from restaurants in 2021 and in 2022, but in 2020, meals are still only 100% or 50% deductible. You're able to withdraw your retirement penalty-free up to 100 days into 2021. The bill extends the employee retention credit through June 30th, 2021, increasing the credit from 50% to 70%, and reduces eligibility based on revenue reduction of 20% to 50%. Also, the bill extends the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, FFCRA, giving credit to businesses that were required to provide emergency paid sick leave and credit. It will give a credit for wages paid, and this is extended through March 31st, 2021. So basically, we have covered the second round of PPP loans, the enhanced federal unemployment benefits, and the stimulus payments. I hope this helps, and have a great year. Thank you.